Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning how to do a carousel cake. It's a step-by-step video. Karibuni sana. So I've already baked my cake. I baked a round one and then I cut off the edges to get a hexagonal shape. This will be the top part. And now we are going to start covering it with white fondant. So some corn flour. We want to keep the surface very well dusted so that the fondant doesn't stick on the table. Then we are not going to do a very thin layer. Okay, now I had already prepared the fondant. I put the color that I wanted, the desired color. I crumb coated on my cake. So now this is the second part of the cake that will be the center of the carousel. So we're going to cover it in gold. I've put some gold color, a bit of gold color, and I'm going to do some spraying on the fondant once I've covered the cake. Okay, so the style that I'm going to use when covering this cake is called cake paneling. I'm going to cover the top part and then I put on the side part separately. So right now I'm applying some oil. This will help to fuse both sides, the top part and the side part together. So what I start is I place this one on top and then I get a clean board and put the cake upside down before now doing the separate part. So we're going to apply some little oil so that we can fuse the seam. The reason I love doing this style is because it gives you a very nice smooth finish on the fondant and very sharp edges. That is the corners. So I'm just pressing gently to fuse the side fondant and the top fondant together. And then once I've pressed enough, then I'm going to cut with a pizza cutter at the edge. Then this will be the bottom side. We're going to do the same thing because we want the cake to have a very nice finish. So we turn it upright, and as you can see, the cake has a very nice edge. Where the part that has the seam will probably be the back of the cake, or if you're doing some decoration on it, you can maybe put something to cover up. now I'm going to put a small border at the bottom, and then put some stripes, some white stripes, and then I'm going to do some molds, some fancy molds at the top edge. I'll be using these silicone molds. To put the ribbons, I'll put this cake upside down. This is the one that I'm going to use. It's called cobblestone. I just want to put a border of beads at the base of a small cake, and I'm going to use this mold. It's very easy to use. You just press, and then using a pizza cutter is what I usually do, and then I remove the cake. It's very nice. I'm going to dowel this cake. This is because there's going to be a top part, and it's heavy. If it presses on this cake and this, it might all go down. So we're just going to use some skewers, which I had already prepared and I had measured and already cut. They're going all the way down to the board, and the top part is going to be right at the surface of the cake. I had already made these molds, and because I wanted them dry so that they're going to be at this part, and I needed them to stand straight. If I made them when they're still soft, I cannot put them direct because they might fall on the side. So I made them earlier and then let them to dry, and then I also sprayed them with gold. So now we are going to chocolate. The reason I'm using melted chocolate for this one is because chocolate hardens it becomes very hard when it dries or when it cools, and it's going to hold these molds very well because they are a bit heavy. If we put just the glue, they might fall. So we're going to put them at that edge, and then I'm going to hold them a little bit until the chocolate dries up. And they're good. very much for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment below, and share with your friends. And if you haven't, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.